Chinese stocks are like the fighter who refuses to go down once and for all, and more mergers could be in the works, one involving the second largest satellite TV operator in the country and the fourth largest wireless carrier. All right, check the wallet. Turn to the Money Master. The editor for the Financial Intelligence Report here at Newsmax, Jeff Yastine, joins us on MidPoint. And Jeff, here it is. It's like clockwork. A jobs report's coming out one day, and the day before the Dow is absolutely, it's going to fall.
Just like you said, people know it. There's just a lot of nervous people out there, and we saw it today with the markets. We had the Dow losing 170 points, the Nasdaq dropped 40, the S&P lost 18. Even oil, the price of oil gave back $1.50 or so and moved down to around 58. And there's just a lot of people very worried about great news coming out tomorrow, and that the report for May, the jobless report, will show that there are many fewer people who are out of work these days. And the market is worried about that because, I have to say it, because of the Federal Reserve.
It's okay. No, you can say it because there's that whole raising rates issue in here, and we understand that when it comes down to the job report, that's what always happens. People are worried, so we'll let them be worried for at least one more day. All right, here, let's go ahead and get to the stuff here. China, momentum building for increased foreign investment in Chinese stocks. Any particular reason why?
This is just something where this market has been down for quite a while. It's still around 30% from its all-time high set in, I think it was around 2008, 2007, thereabouts. And so there's just a lot of liquidity flowing in, all around the world. And it's looking, look, where can we buy stocks that are not already at all-time highs like we have here in the United States? So you look at China, and that's where the money is going. The problem is there's just a lot of volatility there, because every time there's a rumor about the Chinese cutting back on the amount of leverage that investors can use, margin, then people hit the sell button and move out of the way. So like we've talked before, in China and the Chinese stocks, it really is something of the Wild West. And today was evidence of it. We had a big sell-off, I think around 3-4% in the major indexes in China, and then they came all the way back and finished slightly positive. The other part of that is that in Asia, there's a big bond sell-off going on. And again, that goes back to the growth that we're seeing here in the United States and worries that interest rates are going to go higher, and therefore it's going to cost companies more to borrow.
All right, we'll bring it back here to America. Dish Network in talks to merge with T-Mobile. Here we go again. Everybody's looking for platforms. Everybody's looking for a place to put their programming. This would seem to be just another one of those mergers, correct?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, there's a merry-go-round going on here in terms of everybody's looking for partners, and they're all worried about the music stopping. You already had DirecTV. They've hooked up with AT&T, and you've had Charter making their deal to buy Time Warner Cable. So now we have Dish and T-Mobile looking to hook up because, again, they have to move all in that direction because it's all going out of sort of paid TV and cable and what Dish and DirecTV are part of, and moving towards the internet and funneling all that video content out onto the internet, just like the NFL game we talked about with Yahoo the other day.
You only got about 30 seconds left, but the key here is that Dish did not have that internet capacity here. They have the ability to become like a Netflix, if you will, go ahead and start funding programming. They need that internet. They've got the satellite, but that's going to be key to everybody in the future.
It is, and it's access to bandwidth. Dish has been bidding on that. They actually have some bandwidth here in the United States that would be a good configuration for T-Mobile if they do this hookup. So it comes down to that, the size of the pipes and being able to funnel that programming out to the prospective audience out there.
All right, as far as the audience is concerned, go to Newsmax.com, click on the Finance tab, 24/7, 365. That's where Jeff and the entire team will be, and bring up to speed what's happening around the world. Mr. Yastine, always a pleasure, my friend. We'll talk to you again tomorrow.
Thanks, Ed.
All right, take care. After the break, Iranian officials fuming over a leaked video. You'll find out why when MidPoint continues.